In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gain in BandLab. If your recording is a little too quiet or a bit too hot, adjusting gain at the region level is a clean way to fix it without changing your overall mix balance. We'll walk through logging in, opening your project, and using the editor to make precise gain adjustments. Start by opening your browser and heading to bandlab.com. On the homepage, choose Login. To keep things quick, select the option to continue with Google. Pick the Google account you use for BandLab and confirm to continue. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your feed. Head to Library to see your projects, then click the project you want to work on and open it in Studio. So the change affects the right sound, click the track that contains the audio or MIDI region you want to adjust. With the track selected, open the editor. The editor shows details for the highlighted region, including a control labeled Gain. This is region gain, which sits before effects and the track fader. Drag the slider to the right to increase the level or to the left to reduce it. Make small moves and listen as you loop the part. A change of 1 to 3 decibels can make a big difference. Keep an eye on the track meter while you play the section. If you see it hitting the red or hear distortion, pull the gain back. A good target for healthy headroom is to let peaks sit roughly between -12 and -6 decibels. Because this is region gain, you can level match different clips on the same track so your plugins receive a consistent input. If you overdo it, you can always undo or return the slider to 0 to reset. Remember, region gain is different from the track volume fader. The fader changes what you hear at the end of the chain, while region gain changes the signal going into your effects, which often sounds cleaner and prevents clipping. This approach is especially helpful before compressors, saturators, or limiters, where a stable input level produces more predictable results. When you're happy with the balance, continue playing your song to confirm the adjustment works in context, not just in solo. BandLab saves your changes automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do here. You opened BandLab, signed in, went to your library, launched the project in Studio, selected the track, opened the editor, and adjusted region gain. With these steps, you can tame hot clips or bring quiet parts forward,